Good meat jollof rice is on our bill of fare today. Hello, it's a great honor to have you on the channel today. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. And because of that, please do not make it the last time of visiting. I am very sure that you will love it here, okay? Without wasting your time, let's start with today's activity. I have with me here my oil. You can use any oil of your choice, okay? I will just add some chopped onions or diced onions, okay? And then give it a stir, wait for some time, and then we'll proceed. So the next thing we are going to add to this is my homemade tomato sauce, okay? So that is basically fresh tomatoes. Give it a stir, wait for a while, and then I will introduce the next ingredients to you. Now the next ingredient I'm going to add is my rosemary, bay leaves, and then I added some curry powder as well. Then my homemade natural herbs and spice blend. Add any seasoning of your choice, any spice blend of your choice, okay? I will then go ahead and fry my goat meat. So I seasoned it with my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, and then my goat seasoning. Now whilst we are frying that, we will check on the stew. This is how the stew is looking. It looks so delicious and then so inviting. Should you want to add tomato paste, you can go ahead and then add your tomato paste, but with this recipe we are just preparing it with only fresh tomatoes, okay? I have added some of the goat meat and then the stock we got from the goat meat. I will give it a stir, and then after I am done, I will just introduce you to the next ingredient. At this moment, the stew was smelling good. Please, we are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Follow us for more videos. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always watching our videos. We don't take it for granted, okay? I'm so grateful. Getting some flavor and then the juice from the goat meat to the stew will not be a bad idea. So we decided to add the rest of the goat meat, and then we took some of the stew out because it was too much. We didn't want to get that very soft or the stew being plentier than the rice. That is why we did that. Give it a stir. I will then add some Titus sardine. Trust me, if you add this to your jollof rice, it adds some taste to it, okay? So try it, and if you like it, let me know the feedback in the comment section. So that is what I've added. I will just give it a stir. Motive is not to get the sardine and then chew, okay? We just want it in the jollof rice, so I will just mash it before we add the next ingredient. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much for spending some time with me. Have you liked the video? If you haven't, can you please like the video for me and share this video to others so that we can get a lot of followers and then subscribers. Now I have washed my rice very well. I always prefer to wash my rice, so if should you don't want to wash it, that is your choice, okay? But it will be very good to wash your rice. Now I'll add that to the stew and then toast it for a while, okay, before we proceed. Trust me, this jollof rice was so nice, very delicious, and everyone fell in love with it. Oh yes, it was so good. And we finished everything, okay? Yes. So I'm just going to toast it for a while, as I said earlier, before we go ahead and add the next ingredient. After toasting your rice, if you have a lot of stock around, okay, you can go ahead and then add the stock instead of adding water to it, okay? Trust me, that adds a lot of taste to your jollof rice. But with this recipe, I do not have that, so we are just going to add some water to it and then we can proceed. But trust me, it was so nice. Now I am done toasting it. I will just go ahead and then add the water to it. We did that for about 5 minutes. Okay, at this moment, give it a stir. Make sure you taste for salt before you cover it, because we don't want the situation whereby in the middle of cooking then we will realize that the salt is not enough, so we have to add salt to our rice. We don't want that situation. So I tasted for the salt and everything was perfect. I am just going to leave it on fire and then check on it every 3 minutes on a very lower heat. We are just going to use the heat to cook this jollof rice, or every jollof rice that you prepare. Okay, we don't use a lot of water for it, but you just have to use your heat. So after 3 minutes, this is how it looks. I'll give it a stir, cover it again, and I will check on it another 3 minutes or 5 minutes, okay, as I said earlier, so that we will make sure this will not burn, and also we will get that perfect jollof rice we want to get. This is how it looks after so many minutes and trust me, it looks so good, but we just want it to be a bit soft, so I will be covering it again. And with my napkin, you can use your aluminum foil and you are good to go, just to get that heat to make the rice soft instead of water. Okay, now our jollof rice is ready. It was so nice and everyone fell in love with it. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Till I come your way next time, always remember, I love you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.